How to log in to Amazon or sign into Amazon app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Vishnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign into Amazon app. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you on the application here because it won't let me screen record the login page or the sign in page. So I'll be doing it on the browsers. You can either sign in or log in on the browser, or the process is similar on the application as well. So you want to head into your browser and you can search in for amazon.com. So I'll just type it in real quick here, amazon.com. So it should take me to Amazon here. Now you can see I'm already logged in here, but what I'll do is I'll just log it out here real quick. I'll just sign up here real quick. Now here you'll get an interface like this. You can see you can tap on create account and you can create a new account, or here you can simply tap on sign in and you want to simply enter in your email address or phone number in order to sign in. So if you have saved it to your Google account, you can do it here as well, but I'll just select my account here real quick. So here you want to enter in your email address. Once you enter in your email address, you want to tap on continue. So you want to tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you want to enter in the password. Once you enter in your password, you want to simply tap on sign in and you'll be able to sign in. So this is the way that you can log in or sign into Amazon application. If you don't have an account, I've already made a video on how you can create an Amazon account. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.